Hello everyone. I have a question for you. Do you have a fever? Are you coughing? Do you have a sore throat? Are you sneezing? Or do you just don't feel very well? Or do you expect to feel any of those things in the future? If the answer is yes, then you have to keep watching. My name is Krista. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make Dawa. Dawa is a Kenyan drink. I have been in Kenya more than 10 times. I did drink in Kenya Dawa many times. At home, at a cafe or at the airport, and I really liked it. So today I'm going to show you how to make it at home as well. Dawa in Kiswahili means medicine. People drink this drink whenever they don't feel very well, and it actually does make you feel a little bit better afterwards. There are different types of dawa. There are cold ones, hot ones, with and without alcohol, but today I'm going to make the hot type of dawa without alcohol, and I'm not going to show you how. So please pay attention so the next time you don't feel well you can make it yourself. Let's get started. What I need for this drink is lemon and ginger, and optional honey. So the thing I'm going to do first is squeeze half a lemon into my cup. Next thing I want to do is cut small pieces of ginger in here. And I like to cut small pieces because if you cut the bigger pieces, it's harder for the flavor to come out. So you can see the ginger is in here, the lemon is inside my cup. And now I'm going to add my boiled water. I'm going to let it sit for a while for the flavors to all blend. The last thing I'm going to do is add some honey. This step is optional. If you like the sweetness, you can add some honey. If you don't like it, you just leave it. You can get out your ginger and your drink is ready. I'm going to enjoy my cup of dawa right now. I'm curious how yours turned out. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Cheers!